Okay, so this one says given A is a point of tangency of circle O and A is connected to C as a radius, then this is a right angle, which is always good. And we are asked to figure out what SR is. That's this little point right here. We were given that the radius is 40, so this is also 40. And we have a right triangle, so we can do Pythagorean theorem. And this whole side will be x plus 40. This will be 1600. This is 9,216. Now notice you only have a variable right over here. So it would be to your benefit to actually combine these to get 10,816. And then to solve this, this is a quadratic. You're going to square root both sides. When we do put the square root in ourselves, we always think plus or minus, but because x is going to be a length of a segment, I'm not concerned with the negative part. This is going to be a big number, and if it was negative 104, I would have a negative x value, so I'm going to disregard that right now. And then I would subtract 40 from both sides, and I get the answer of 64. This is millimeters. Okay, hey, and by the way, I don't know if you were thinking of this. And so if you were smart to think this way originally, more power to you. If you knew this was 96 and this was 40, they are both divisible by 8, which would make this 12, and that 5, and that's a 5, 12, 13 triple. Whoa. And so what that means is to go the other way, I would have to multiply by 8, and 13 times 8 is 104. Whoa, sorry. And we knew 40 of it was here, so this part would have to be 64. So if you did that way, more power to you. That's awesome. If not, who cares? Same thing with the previous example. If you just did Pythagorean theorem, that's great. Nice to see patterns sometimes, though. Okay? That was example number 3, and we have one more.